Hello everyone and welcome back to Nexus Olive Tech channel. In today's episode we are going to learn a 4x4 matrix keypad works and use it to build a simple password system with an Arduino Uno and 16x2 I2C LCD. We will build and test everything right here in Tinkercad, so let's get started. Before connecting anything, let's understand how the keypad works. This is a 4x4 matrix keypad. It has 16 buttons arranged into 4 rows and 4 columns. Instead of using one Arduino pin for every button, the keypad shares its connections through this row and columns. For example, the number 5 is located at the intersection of row 2 and column 2. When we press 5, the Arduino detects that the row and column combination and knows that the pressed key is 5. That is the basic idea behind the matrix keypad. Now let's move into Tinkercad. We will need 3 main components: an Arduino Uno, a 4x4 matrix keypad, 16x2 I2C LCD. The keypad will be our input, while the LCD will display the message and shows the password entry. Let's start with the keypad. The 4-row connection will go to Arduino pins 9, 8, 7 and 6. Then the 4-column connection will go to pins 5, 4, 3 and 2. So we have 8 signal connection, in total 4 rows and 4 columns. Now let's connect our I2C LCD. I will use the same I2C connection we covered in my previous LCD episode. If you haven't seen it yet, check out the video, learn how to connect and use the I2C LCD. So now let's program the system. We will use the keypad library for the keypads and Adafruit liquid crystal library for LCD. The complete code is available on my Telegram channel, link in the description below. First we define the keypad layout and its Arduino pin. Then we initialize the LCD and set our password to 1, 2, 3, 4. When a key is pressed, we read it with the keypad library and add it to the entered password. For the privacy, the LCD displays asterisk instead of actual number. The hashtag key submits the password while the star clears the entry. When hashtag is pressed, the Arduino compares the entered password with the correct one. If they match, the LCD display access granted and the green LED turned on. Otherwise, it displays the wrong password and the red LED turns on. So now let's test the correct password, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you can see, the LCD displays the access granted and the green LED turns on. The password is correct and so access is granted. Now let's try the wrong password, 1, 2, 3 and 5. The LCD displays the wrong password and try again. A red LED turns on. The password is incorrect, so access is denied. And that is how we can build a simple keypad password with an Arduino. We learn how a matrix keypad works, how to read the password inputs, and how to use an LCD and LEDs to indicate the result. In real projects, we could replace the LED with the servo, relays and electronic locks to create a complete access control system. Subscribe to Nexus Olive Tech for more Arduino and electronics tutorial. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode.